What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm really excited because it's the first of the year, guys. It's January 1st, 2025, and I'm making a video on how to make money with Maxbounty, the easiest way for beginners. You're literally going to be able to watch this video and set up a campaign for yourself and get started with CPA marketing in 2025, guys. This is going to be a great year to start CPA marketing, and this is going to be the year you actually get results for yourself. You actually take action, and I just know that you have many blessings headed your way, and this is going to be the year you finally get to start living your dream life, guys. So if you watch this video to the end, I'm telling you, I'm giving you all the sauce you need to get started for yourself so you can make things happen for yourself this year. All right. And also, I have a very special surprise for everybody who stays tuned to the end of this video. I'm doing something very special that I haven't done before. I just want to be a blessing to you guys because I feel like I'm very blessed and I get to live my dream life, and it's all thanks to CPA marketing. So I want to just spread the love, spread the abundance to you guys in 2025. So let's start the new year off right. You see where I'm at. I'm in the office on the 1st of January for you guys, right? For you guys, so that I can show you what you need to do starting today to get results. So let's just dive right into it. I'm already on Maxbounty, as you can see. I have some cost per lead offers pulled up, sorted by EPC, so you can see all the top EPC offers right here, and these are just offers that I'm approved for. Now this isn't my main network, so I'm not approved for that many offers, so you can go with offers that aren't approved and you can get approval for yourself. But for the sake of this video, I don't have time to get approved before running any offers, anything, so I'm only going to pick out an offer right now that's basically I'm approved for. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. I kind of got an idea. I kind of want to run that same offer that I was getting results on my last Maxbounty video, because I feel like it's still a good offer. Yeah, it's still up here. As you can see, 45-cent EPC, $1.80 per lead. Now we're going to be pairing it with some very cheap traffic. As you can see, we're going to be pairing it with propeller ads right here, and propeller ads is going to give us some good, cheap, high converting traffic. It's going to be on click, direct click type traffic. And I'm going to show you how to set up the campaign. So first, let's just grab this offer really fast and build this tracking link. And then I'm going to show you guys what to do, exactly what to do in this whole entire video. So just watch this whole video so you know, and actually follow along. Don't just watch, follow along, and also like work side by side with me so that you're setting this up. Now I feel like this is a great offer because it's not targeting the US, so you should be able to get some very cheap traffic, and it's a make money earn with survey type offer, and these offers are really hot right now and they're high converting. So let's just set this up, guys. So first, let's just select what type of traffic we're going to be going for, which is mobile. Gonna be doing raw link. And when it comes to selecting a landing page, it comes with landing pages. So I feel like even though we're going to be direct linking in our campaign, the fact that we can still have a landing page through our direct linking, it makes direct linking makes it even better. Now the only thing is you don't know which 3 of these is the highest converting. So what you can do is you can set up 3 campaigns, whether you want to do $5 per each landing page test, like each split test, $5. That's $5 per day for this lander, $5 for this lander, $5 this lander. That's $15 a day budget. And if you have a little more budget, I'll say run it at $10 per day. So $10, $10, that's $30 per day in daily budget for testing out this campaign and seeing which landing page get you the most results, the most conversions, things like that. And then you stick with that landing page and run it, another $100 a week to the actual top converting landing page. And that's where you optimize for different things that I'm gonna go into for this video. So let's just press type in something for this sub ID right here, and let's just copy this link, and we're going to set this up right here in offers, and let's just do new. Well, first let's add the affiliate network, right? So we're going to do new affiliate network. We're going to do it from template, so let's go new from template, and we're going to go Maxbounty. Next, and you have your postback URL, so make sure on Maxbounty you're putting this in your postback URL, global postback. So you'll just click that. Let's do it right here for example purposes. Let's show you. Okay, so you'll just put that there, global post. Oh, that's not the postback, sorry. BMOB copy. All right, so you just put the post back right here, and I'll just delete this. Then you just save that as your post back. So everything should be talking to Maxbounty as far as BMob is concerned. And we got the S2 for click ID is going to automatically append it. So I'm going to make sure I grab S2 instead of S1. So let's just save this. All right. And we're going to go back to offer and we're going to do new offer. So let's just go back to Maxbounty. We're going to do S2 token right here. I just put anything there because we're going to delete it anyway. Put the right here. And it's going to automatically append the click ID. So usually if you didn't have that option selected, you'll have to click it here and put click ID, and that just makes sure that it talks back to Maxbounty, talks to BMob and everything, to your traffic source, like everything talks to each other so that you're able to run. All right. And then we'll just add in the offer right here. So we'll just put Servio. We'll put this offer here. Okay, and we'll select Czech Republic. Okay. Affiliate network, Maxbounty. Okay. Once you have that, they give you the option to select the postback URL, just in case you haven't done it already. But we're just going to save that. Now we have the offer, we have the affiliate network. Now what we need to do is just add the traffic source, which is going to be, let's do template. It's going to be propeller ads. So let's go new from template. And we can see propeller ads is integrated with BMob. So make sure you have your BMob account, guys, because this is very, very important when it comes to setting up. So looks like we need to replace ad ID, PID, TID. So let's just go right here into here, and we're going to go into tracking. And we're going to say BMob. Okay, going to copy this. We're going to go into BMob. We're going to put in the postback URL, and you see it filled it out for us. So all that is selected. So once you have the postback URL, you just check the tokens right here. Then we're just going to hit save. All right, once that's saved, we have everything that we need to create the campaign. So let's go to new campaign, and we're going to name this Servio. They're going to do this on mobile. Oh my God. And we're going to do this on mobile. Oops, sorry. All right, traffic source, propeller ads, country, Czech Republic. Okay, built-in flow. It's going to be direct linking. So we're going to add the offer right here. Okay. So this is what our campaign is going to look like. And if we want to add any more like details, we can say direct click, or if we're targeting like specific things within the campaign, we can select that as well. We can like add that to this as well, or you can say which landing page this is. So we can say landing page 1, and then say you're testing out all 3 of those landing pages. You put landing page 1 or 2 or 3, depending on which campaign and which landing page you're going to select. So when it comes to offer, you can basically label it by offer too. So when you add the offer, you can name it like landing page 1, and then on the when you add the offer again, landing page 2, 3, and then you can label it like that here in the campaign as well, because it is 3 different landing pages that I would suggest you testing out for this campaign. So let's just save that, and here are the links right here. So now what we want to do is create the campaign inside propeller ads. So survey, CZ, mobile, landing page 1. All right, so that's good enough to like label. So when we start getting results and data from our campaign, we'll be able to see from the campaign name which campaign it is. And we're going to go with CPM. And I just like to start with CPM only because I'm not sure about CPA Gold or Smart CPM yet. I like to just have manual control over my bidding. I like to control my bidding price unless I know for sure like my cost per action cost, and then I can play around with that. But let's just go with campaign URL and put that right here. Okay. And we can select more like tokens here if we want, such as device, browser, operating system, connection type, carrier, operating version, browser version. So this is how you add in more tokens. So I would suggest adding in those tokens, and you can also edit in those tokens if we go back to BMob under the traffic source section, and you can add in more tokens here also, so that when you put your campaign link right here, it'll already be selected. So one visitor to see your ad, I would say once every 24 hours. Just change the frequency a little bit. Countries, Czech Republic. You can target by cities and states. We don't know yet. You have to optimize more to get that type of information. So if you want to optimize for countries, just do, country name, region. Select all the tokens. Matter of fact, that just makes more sense. And when it comes to daily campaign budget, I would only do that. So set it at like $10. Mobile traffic, we can do both operating systems. We'll say we want to do iOS, we can select just iOS and target only iPhones. Or if we want to do Androids, only target Androids, we can do that as well. We can split campaigns, so we'll have one campaign. But I would say test out landing pages first, and then once you have a winning landing page, then split test by like Androids and iOS, because those are always the top converting. And then once you know that, then you can start diving into which devices, browsers, languages. It might not be English is the language, so you'll see the top languages because we have that as a token. As you can see, language is selected, so you'll know which language is converting the highest. You can do connection types, all, or you can even select it by just phone connection or Wi-Fi connection. All right, you're not going to worry about proxies or any of that. Do not collect any of those. Don't worry about that. And then we can automatically start the campaign. All right, so we have to set the CPM too also. Almost forgot about that. So you select the country and then make sure you select your CPM right here. CPM is going to be $10. I believe that's the minimum. You can't go any lower than $10. So just make sure you select $10. And at $10 CPM, you're looking at 100,000 impressions. So over 100,000 people, especially with the frequency capped at one person per 24 hours. So that should be very, very good. So you can start getting data, getting traffic, and you'll be able to see what's converting best for you. Like I said, you would just do this campaign and then create another one so that you're testing out this landing page, and then create another one so you're testing out this landing page, and then all the traffic will be coming in right here. And then you'll just select this and run your reports, and once you have your reports, you'll be able to see, all right, all your different tokens like device model, operating systems, languages that are converting best, connection types, internet service providers if they're on Wi-Fi, things like that. Which is all converting best for you. And you can also stack it up with other targeting options to see, like, all right, if I have, all right, which browser with which operating system is converting best for me, or something like that, right? And that's more into like optimization. This is how you set up the actual campaign and create it. So make sure you're split testing, make sure you're optimizing, and this is how you make money with Maxbounty the easiest way, with very, very cheap traffic, $10 a day on ads. And that's just for one campaign. If you wanted to test all three of these landing pages out, of course you're looking at $30 a day or something like that, which still isn't bad, because let's just pull up the calculator. So we'll do $30 a day times 7. You're looking at in a week. So you can just set aside $200 for this campaign for 1 week. And if you have that type of budget, you should be able to start getting results for yourself with CPA marketing. And this is kind of on the cheap side of traffic, guys, because if you're testing out Facebook ads or anything else like TikTok ads and stuff like that, it can be a little more expensive. So this is a great way to get started for beginners because you get to test it out with very, very low budget. That's only $30 a day. And yeah, start getting results for yourself, see which is converting best for you, and then you go from there. Now, if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys. Happy New Year. And the special offer that I have for everybody is my academy is now 75% off. So I'm only doing 75% off for just this week only. So it's gonna be less than a week. I'm only gonna run it till probably like the 7th. So I'm giving you guys 1 week to get inside the academy, learn everything I know about CPA marketing, all my traffic strategies, how I'm testing, how I'm optimizing, everything like that. I'm gonna be adding in more content this year also, so you'll be able to get in for such a good price and also take advantage of that lifetime access guarantee. So when I do add new content in for the new year and new sections and stuff like that, you guys will automatically get access to that without having to get in at a higher price. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the link below and get inside my academy. I also have my private coaching 50% off. So if you're looking to do any one-on-one coaching with me, set up a campaign together, have me take a look at your campaigns and help you optimize personally, things like that, I have that open as well. So take advantage of that stuff, guys. Now leave a comment if you got any questions or need any extra help or anything like that as far as this campaign and what we just set up. But that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.